All right, all right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Hey, what I want you to do is click down at the bottom where you see subscribe and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Also, leave a comment of what you think about this amazing flyer. Okay. Well, we're finna get started. All right. Now, this is the all your money flyer, people. That means you keep 100% of the profits once you get started with this. Okay, there's three levels. There's 500, 1,000, and 1,500 level. Okay, 500, 1,000, and 1,500. And all you simply do is mail this flyer. You also gonna get a postcard with this. Well, you have a selection if you want the flyer of the postcard. All you gotta do is request it. Go to www.allyourmoney.net. That's www.allyourmoney.net, and you will see the postcard and the flyer there. Okay, all you have to do is simply print it out. Okay, and once you print it out, follow the instructions on it, and you're good to go. All right, now here is the 500 level. All right, you're gonna get 500 leads. Now I have a new set of leads. I have like 3 million leads. These are MLM genealogy leads, people. These are leads for people. They're spending starting $500 going up into the thousands. Some of these places where you're getting leads from now, the reason you're not getting results because you have the wrong type of leads. These leads have name, addresses, phone numbers, email address, or people that are currently in network marketing opportunities. Okay, some may have left, but majority of my active members in network marketing, they understand you don't have to pull their arm, twist them, try to beg them to do things. They are ready to go. These are the type of leads that you want. Okay, so you're gonna get 500 of those. Okay, $1,000 in grocery coupons, and I'm just gonna mention this, and you can just, as far as the $1,000 in the grocery coupon of your choice, $1,000 in the fast food restaurant coupons of your choice, 3-day, 2-night trip, or 8-day, 7-night trip, okay, and 5 books of stamps. Now, this is what you're gonna get when someone joins from your flyer, okay? They're gonna send you 5 books of stamps. I'm gonna send you the $1,000 in grocery coupons. I'm gonna send you the $1,000, the fast food restaurant coupons, or the 3-day, 2-night trip, or the 8-day, 7-night trip, depending on where you get started. See, the 500,000 have different levels. I just want to communicate with you that there are those items available to you. Okay, there's a one-time $150 admin fee for that. Okay, the $1,000 level, there's $250. 1,500, there's $350 for that particular startup level. People, the key is what is being offered to you and those that get this flyer. Okay, all those other programs, you may get a few leads, you may get a flyer, but that's it. Nothing that's really going to help you, nothing that's really going to help your family or others when they get started with you. The economy is crazy. It cost me $1.75 for one orange. One orange. So having the grocery coupons and the fast food restaurant coupon is going to be things that's going to help the family. Now, when you stressed out from work, okay, hey, look, you could take an 8-day, 7-night trip or a 3-day, 2-night trip. Now, with that, what happens is that you get to many places that we have available in the U.S. or U.S. territory, okay? You get there and we're taking care of the hotel accommodations. These are 3 to 5-star hotels where you're going to be staying there. And there's also a lot of resorts involved with that, okay? Now, want to go over here. Now, we're going to personalize your flyer. It's going to have your name, your address, or phone number, or whatever information you want on there, whether it's email or the phone number on there. All right. Now, your name is going to go into box number 1. All right. Your name going to go into box number 1. This is the admin right here. This is where they're going to send anything. Now, don't forget the stamps. I got people forgetting to send the stamps. I have to call them back and everything. All right. Every time someone joins, it helps support a prison ministry. And that's good. But people, that is it. It is as simple as that. Big ticket items are starting to pop up now, especially with the leads that we have. Okay. The awesome leads that we have. These are full data MLM leads, or network marketing leads. People that are currently involved in network marketing, a network marketing company. Okay, so I have 3 million. So I'm going to be sharing them only with the people that's in our the Cash Cow program, because I want you to win, and this is going to help you. Okay, this is going to help you. Now, if your offer is under $500, do not send anything to these leads. Okay, they starts at $500. They're $500. They're the people that are investing. That's where they generally start at. So you send them a $400 offer, most likely it's not going to be accepted. But you have a much better chance if you have a big ticket item. Okay? So again, you can go to www.cashcowprogram.com or www.allyourmoney.net. Okay? That's where my big ticket items are at. allyourmoney.net. Okay? And you're going to see the All Your Money flyer there. You're going to see the postcard there. Okay, and you can just pick which one you want, and we just go from there. Remember, I hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. This is Rick Reed here with the All Your Money postcard and flyer. Okay, give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Love to have you join us. Okay, I know that you're a lot of people I've been talking to now that's coming from some of these other companies like I Keep It All joining me here. Okay, because of these leads. Okay, and they're not priced like they're doing in a lot of the other companies, because these are a different type of mindset of people. They are ready, willing, and ready to get started, waiting on your offer, and we have the right offer. I hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Don't forget, go to www.allyourmoney.net. That's allyourmoney.net. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are.